We wanted to make this logo that captured the spirit of Goa. And that is the first insight of our logo. Looking to the visuals, this logo has been derived. If you look closely, it is the map of the Goa. The map of Goa creates an infinite look. It is this map of Goa that we have used as our primary inspiration to create our logo. Then what is the inspiration? The inspiration is that when a sports personality lives behind the legacy, they creates an infinite loop, which motivation for the future generation of sports enthusiasts and the athletes. The idol's story becomes the love of a courage, and the struggle becomes a roadmap, and the victory becomes history etched in the stone. And we pay our tribute to this infinite loop of our sports. My dear friends, while doing the dissection of this logo, it has got the four characteristics. That is the culture and the lifestyle. The logo incorporates the elements of the Goa culture and its lifestyle, like a sea, sun, palm trees, and the birds who are flying high in the sky. The logo incorporates the numerous sports that are to be played in the national game, which brings us the bonding, which creates us a bonding with the event and the logo. It's very important to throw a light on the colors of it. There are two parts of the logo as far as colors are concerned. The typography has the Indian flag's color. To honor our nation's pride, the symbol uses the vibrant color that match with the high energy, fun-filled sporting feel of these national games. The typography used in this logo is easily legible, reflecting the events of the identity and the theme. आणि आमकां तीन शब्दान जर उच्चार जर आमकां करपाक जाय, if I define this logo in the three words, in a simple three words, that are the timeless, unique, and the versatile.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.